Hi. So today we're going to be looking at the Leetcode problem, median of two sorted arrays. So this is a hard question. So given two sorted arrays, num1 and num2 of size m and n respectively, return the median of the two sorted arrays. The overall runtime complexity should be big O of log m plus n. So we have an example where the inputs for the first array is 1 and 3 and the second one is 2, and then to get the median, the expected output is 2.0, and the explanation is that when we merge these two arrays, the median is 2. Another example is where we have two arrays of length 2, so in this one the median of both of them would be 2.5. So how do we go about this? Let's take a look at how this would be. So we essentially have one array, we have another array here. So first array, let's say for the first one is 1 and 3, and then the second one is just 2. So merging these two arrays, we have 1, 2, and 3, and then we have this as our median. Alright, so if we had a second type of array here where it's 1 and 2, and then we had another one that is 3 and 4, a merged version of this would give us median values of 2 and 3. So when you get a problem like this, one of the easy brute force ways to do it, like a brute force approach would be step 1 would be merging both arrays. Alright, they're already sorted, but also another thing is it doesn't state if there could be duplicates in the question, and also since both arrays are sorted, we could have a scenario where it's 1, 5, 7 for one array, and then the other array is 2 and 4. So putting this one behind this wouldn't necessarily give us like a new sorted array. So if the first step is merging the array, then the next step should definitely be sorting the merged array. Hi, who's this? I'm in the middle of a recording. I'm being so serious. God. Jeez. My YouTube channel, and I don't know how to stop. Ugh. I'm hearing you. Okay. So we sort the merged array. Then After sorting the merged array, the next thing is we find the median values. You can speak, I just delete it. Median values. So caveats. The length of the array caveats, the length of the array could be even or odd, right? So when it's even, we definitely want to divide those two values, and when it's odd, we just need to return one value over there. So back to our problem there. Consider that, okay, when it's two values, we return both of them, and when it's one, we return just the one. Alright, so we need to find if our array, that's step 4, if our array is even length or odd length. Right. Then the 5th step is return median. So note, we are returning a float, so we need to divide by 2.0. When we divide by a floating point number, we would get floating point values. Alright, so now to the code. We have a merge of sorted values of norms 1 and 2. Then we get the length of the merged value. Here we checking if it's an even number. If it's an even number, we just return the merged of the length of the array minus 1. This would return like a positive value, and then the merged of length 2. Then we divide both of them by 2, and else we just return the merged value, the index, or rather the value in the array for the median of the array. So running this shows us that, okay, this is like not a terrible solution. Runs with 15 milliseconds, and this is big O of log m plus n. Yep. Thank you.